What it do, homies? It's your boy Dave, and I'm back today. We ain't gonna waste no time jumping into this. Honestly, I think I got a Rogue Wave taking this, but Rofu, they definitely bring the hilarity, but I don't know if they got that battle type stits, but Rogue Wave has just been too powerful individually and as a team. Let's shut up and turn it up.
You ready? One half river, one half collapse. Can I get an ooh la la? Coming to the stage, make some noise for Rogue Wave.
Yo, this battle about to be epic. I honestly can't wait to see what Rofu does. Yeah, Rofu, yeah. Just want to make sure I pronounce that right.
Versus representing for Japan. Give it up for Rofu.
Not everybody can rock glasses like that, man. Give me a pair to see if I can rock them. Probably look weird at first or forever.
Everyone, semi-final right here live in direct, Grand BEATBOX Battle 2021 World League Edition. We have Rogue Wave versus Rofu. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you again, are you ready? Rogue Wave ranked higher and chose Rofu to go first. So you already know the deal. I say the San, you say the Ni and the Ichi. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean.
BEATBOX, let's go.
Hello, we are Rogue Wave from France. No, we are from Japan.
Okay.
Fatality.
Mortal Kombat. Look at River.
Excellent. KO. New K.
Brutality.
Lady. Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. Yamada Gamba.
Really? Hey, look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Okay, I was super excited to see what Rofu was going to do because, this is a battle. So, I think they was going to come in and kind of hit us with some, some battles and everything, some battle techniques, some battle transitions. You know what I mean? But they kind of doing the same thing that kind of Oni-chan did and kind of just playing to the crowd, which is fine and everything, right? This is it's a spectator kind of thing, right? You want to put on a crowd, but this is a battle, So Cumber Sounds kind of sounded a little bit, playful, if you will, especially that sound right there. I would have liked him to make it sound more like a synth instead of kind of like as garbled as he did. But it was pretty cool. And then of course Mortal Kombat. But you saw the crowd, every single one of them had their head bumping, right? Because to this day, that theme song still rocks, man. To this day. Y'all know that meme? To this day. All right, let's keep it going.
Time switch.
Okay, so are you ready to play with me? Whenever I do this with my arm, you say, like this, perfect.
That's awesome.
Let's go.
Reggae. Hey. Switch it up on us. Okay.
Solo llega mis quejas. Ay, 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 que negro mi destino. Ay, ay, Dios, solo llega mis quejas.
Okay. Okay. See, here's the thing when it comes to these battles, bro. The whole entire idea of any type of battle is you want to put pressure, right? You want to put pressure on the other team. Even if you're gonna perform to the crowd, you gotta put something down that's just making people go like, yo, that's crazy. What kind of sound did he make? What kind of transitions was that? I don't know how he's gonna follow that and everything. See, and that's what Rogue Wave did, right? But what Rofu did, I had a couple of laughs, but I kind of felt like that was easily beatable, you know. So I was excited coming in here because I was just like, yo, Rofu about to come through with that battle and everything. They still got another round, so they can of course turn this over. But Rogue Wave incorporating the crowd was actually pretty cool. I feel like it's a double-edged sword because what if they just mess up and everything? But luckily, you know, River and Collapse just got that kind of tight synergy that wasn't gonna mess them up. Clean sounds, nice transitions. River did get a little bit pitchy when he's hitting on falsettos. It's kind of hard to stay in tune, but overall he did a pretty good job. I am aware of the circumstances of the arena and everything, but that just puts everybody on the same equal footing, right? So regardless of the conditions, everybody's suffering for it, so you can't really use that as an excuse, you know, especially when you got people like Collapse and River out here destroying it regardless. You know what I mean? So, okay, let's keep it going.
Time switch.
Uh-oh, rebuttal.
No. Yeah, they are cool. So good. So good.
Did he have two pair of glasses on?
But we are better. We are approachable make some noise. Yo.
River took his glasses. Here we go. Here we go.
Do you know Smash Brothers?
Smash Brothers. Oh. Yo. That's clean. That's clean, y'all. Was that a
That's time.
if I'm not mistaken, that was a Titanic kind of reference. Almost kind of sounding like that because the way he was posing and they had the freaking seagulls. Okay, bro, that's what I'm talking about. That little fast drums that they were doing, the synchronization was there. Oh my goodness, the slightest amount of slip, I would have just seen that tumbling down. That was pretty cool, man. See, that's some pressure right there. That's what I wanted to see. Okay.
Switch.
Harmonies. We got a little pitchy there.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You're coming out your shell. You did it yourself. Tell me what must I do to tell my love Cause luckily I'm good at treating. I wouldn't bug but they won't stop cheesing. And we can dance all day around it. If you want it, I'll be bouncing.
It's okay.
If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry.
It's over. It's over. Yo, oh my, yo, just try to do that yourself. Just yo, do. It's easy to do it yourself, but yo, and not only that, but it was freaking. It sounded in pitch, it harmonized, and they both ended on this. It was over. It was over, bro. Clap's got such a way of just establishing such a groove. His percussion is just so crisp. His kicks just hit just the right amount. But that sealed the deal right there. That was it. That's all. That's Murder, She Wrote. That was amazing. That was crazy.
Only one. This side.
It's got to be Rogue Wave.
For Rogue Wave. This side. Battle in 3. Rogue Wave.
Yeah.
For Rofu right now.
Yeah, so like I said, I was kind of wanting Rofu to come in with some more kind of like battle type of elements and everything. But hey, props to them because they are funny and that's their niche and everything. So even bring that stuff to the battle, be who you need to be, be what you've always been doing. But this was kind of when I saw the matchup, I kind of thought it might have been a landslide, and I think that's exactly what it was because that last round by Rogue Wave was just insane. Even in the most difficult part on there was just them maintaining the harmonization and ending on the same note and harmonizing. And not only that, but they kind of threw it in there kind of suddenly. Like they went that do 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 do, and then they kind of threw it in there again mid beat. Like that's yeah. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like and subscribe. Dave's out.